Hey everyone, welcome. In this video I'll show you how to fix Microsoft Store not working on Windows 11. Firstly guys, let us try and use the Microsoft Troubleshooter to fix this issue. So go ahead into the settings. After that, go to System, Troubleshoot, Other Troubleshooters. After that, you need to find your Microsoft Store in here. Let us search for Windows Store apps. Alright, click that. Next, skip this step, not necessary. Let it just detect the problems. So it's going to detect additional problems if there aren't any. And as you can see, in here we have certain issues that your troubleshooter will be able to fix. This is step number 1. Step number 2, you could also try and reset your Microsoft Store. So for that, go to the installed apps, search for the Microsoft Store. So system components, go here, advanced options. And in here, scroll down and firstly terminate it so that it's not running. After that, try repair. If repair doesn't work, try reset. This should help. Also checking for available updates of the operating system might help as well. And these are the steps that you should try and perform to fix your store. Thanks for watching guys. Like this video and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.